Hey, it's Juan with Hands-On Therapy Services. If you are experiencing some elbow pain, I want to help you. Is it feeling like a very achy muscle pain that you have in your forearm, or do you feel it sharp and it just radiates down your arm? Either one of those types of pains can be tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. So I'm going to share with you my top 2 tips that I share with all my clients that come in and need help with their elbow pain. So one of my top tips is to massage, okay? So if you bend your elbow, you're going to find that you have a bony prominence right here, and that's where a lot of the muscles attach to. So you can start massaging there, and you can go in circles, 2 fingers. Or 3, whichever one, but you can massage in circles around that area. You can go the whole length of the muscle, and you can go across it, okay? So if you have pain on the outside of your elbow or on the inside of your elbow, you can do that. My second biggest tip that I like to give is to stretch it. Even if you only have pain here, it's really beneficial for you to stretch your whole forearm. It's really going to help you. So the first one, you're going to have your palms up, elbows straight, if you can, okay? And then you're going to pull from your hand and pull all the way back. That's going to stretch all the muscles here. But outside of stretching these muscles, they kind of shorten these, okay? And the other one you're going to do is you're going to turn your palms down, let your wrist drop, and stretch your wrist down, and it's going to stretch the muscles on top, and it's going to let the other muscles relax. So if you have any pain, like a lot of pain with the stretches, then don't do it, but it should just feel like a nice pulling. Sometimes if you're really tight, you'll feel it really hot underneath, but as long as you're just feeling a stretch and not painful, then those 2 stretches are really great to alleviating some of the pain. Now if you're still having pain and you need a little additional help, then feel free to comment below, and I will share you the link to our tennis elbow or elbow pain guide that has a few more tips and tricks in there for you to get started with, just to alleviate the pain. Comment below, tell me what's going on. Are you still suffering?